Today is one of the most exciting days of harvest. It is Indie Rosé Day. There's two different blocks at the property that we pick it off of, 104F and 201. And it's always one of the most energetic days around the winery because Indie is one of our oldest and most beloved wines that we make here at ONX. The Tempranillo, which is a grape usually known for making red wine, we've been using for this rosé program all the way back to the early 2010s. We found that picking it early, around 21 bricks, so a lower alcohol when there's more natural acidity within the grapes, creates a beautifully floral and energetic wine on the palate with lots of vibrancy. So
it's a big Tempranillo day today, Tempranillo of Rosé for our Indie program. We got about 14 tons in, which is big for us. So we're gonna be pressing into one of our 2,000-gallon tanks, stainless steel, for settling for 48 hours. And then we're gonna press into two of these tall, skinny tanks in the middle here for fermentation itself. The whole purpose is straight to press right off the skins for a nice, light, crisp, and approachable rosé. That's gonna be good year round, but especially in the summer on hot days. Sorry, David. Didn't see you. Totally threw the ball right at your back.
As we said, it's one of our favorite wines to make. It's one of the public's favorite wines. So this is always a really exciting day for us to bring in a household favorite.